Right, today! I know me. What do you reckon? Huh? Today, what are we doing today? We're making an hedgehog house. Well, that's what they want to do. No, right, put that down. Well, look. Oh, dear me. Pass that here. Thank you very much. We're making an hedgehog house, aren't we? So, first things first. Go get that wood, dude, Jack. There's backyard now, look. Into new house, look. Just put some expanding foam around there to yesterday. Stop it leaking, so I'm going to chop that off. And I'm put that on there. I'm going to have a little workbench there so I can work on things. And then, no, Jack, what are you doing, son? The board. Right, anyway, and then Ferry, she's coming in season. So we're going to breed her, right, and get the other one as well. Let's put that down there. But at the minute, we're making an hedgehog house, aren't we? Right, let's do this, snizzles. Right, Jack. So what I've learned is hedgehogs have two types of house. There's Uncle Butty, look. That's hi, Butty. Uncle Butty come to help with children. What is it? Hedgehogs have two types of house, yeah, dude. They have the hibernation house that they sleep in over the winter. And then they also have the breeding little boxes for the summer and spring months. So what are we now? April? Is it April?
April, yeah.
April. So April now they should be coming out of hibernation now because weather's warming up a bit. So we're gonna breed maybe a little breeding box, yeah, and maybe go put it down railway track because just down there there's like railway tracks and a metal fence and loads of brams and that. So there's a few hedgehogs down there, so we might put it down there. So let's make a hedgehog house, eh? Hedgehog house, come on! First time we've done it. Right, what we've got, idea, we're going to do this, because this bit's already cut, then we're going to turn this over, so we're going to cut that, so we've got two sides, then cut another strip for the back and the front, and then we're going to make a little door and everything, aren't we? Oh yeah, boy! Come on then, hedgehogs. Right, Jack Flash sat on a candlestick, come on. Right, straight across there, go on, all the way across. Go on, do it again for good measure. Go on, again, go, yeah, boy! So have a look at that, done. Did it.
That's a pretty good pen for
No, what are you doing? What are you making?
Do you like that pen?
He's making an hedgehog house, right, alright, let's do this. Right, I'm not no Woody, what is it, a carpenter. But that's how we're going to have it like that. Then we're going to put these on the inside, these lats here, screw it to it, so we can screw that through the bottom and that to there, do you know, to hold it together. Secure and that. No idea to build the hedgehog house and Jack's, but look, they've decided to make a Tarzy instead, so meow. So we're building a hedgehog house for him, right, we Uncle Butt.
Yeah, we're going to finish it with stuff.
Finish it, come on, let's do this, schnizzles, weasels, hedgehogs. Oh yeah, boy, look, hedgehog house coming on strong. It's time to get a move on. Yeah, boy, hedgehogs are us. Right, look at that. What do you reckon, boys? Is that good, huh? Is it good?
Yeah.
Our hedgehog breed now. Right, guys, look, Noe. There she be, like that, look. We've left a little lip there for rain and stuff. Elements, don't want them going in, want it nice and dry. So here's front. Gonna put a board up here and like a little board in there to about there. So then they can go in and around so foxes can't drag them out, and it'll be nice and warm for if it rains or snows or whatever. So that's how hedgehog boxing it is. What?
If it not, all of it will go under the door.
Yeah, but they'll be nice and dry in there, won't they? Because we're going to put some nice roofing stuff on there, aren't we? To keep it nice and dry. So, part one to the hedgehog box. Yeah, boy? Yeah. What do you reckon, dude, yeah? Like that, I do. Yeah, yeah. No, yeah or no? Yeah? And what do you build? He's built, what's that did you build?
Counting box.
A what?
Counting box.
All right.
Counting box.
A counting box. Right, he's made a counting box, hedgehog box, counting box. That's it. Ciao for now. Woohoo! Schnizzles! Wee